We all love our pets, and we want them to live happy and healthy lives. Fleas and ticks are one of the most common issues among cats and dogs. Fleas and ticks are external parasites that can cause health problems to your pet. In the United States, fleas and ticks mostly thrive in hot and humid regions. Your pet can get fleas and ticks from being outside. Because they live in tall grasses and hedges, it is easy for your pet to track fleas and ticks from outside to inside of your home. This means that even indoor pets can get fleas and ticks too. Flea bites can cause allergic dermatitis that can cause discomfort, excessive itching, biting, and licking. Fleas can also leave behind flea dirt. Make sure to check your pets thoroughly. Ticks can transmit diseases. Some diseases such as Rocky Mountain spotted fever and Lyme disease can be fatal if not treated in time. Don't worry, pet owners have multiple options when it comes to protecting their pets from fleas and ticks. Flea and tick control options are powders and sprays, flea collars, topical on-spot treatments, and oral chews. Before making a decision, make sure to ask your veterinarian to assist you in choosing the right preventative plan for you and your pet.
The flea life cycle begins when the flea lays eggs in the pet's coat. The eggs begin to drop off as the pet moves around the house. Within a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae. Pupae develop before hatching as new adult fleas to complete the life cycle. If your pet has acquired fleas, Capstar is a great choice. It is a fast-acting oral tablet that starts killing fleas within 30 minutes. Capstar is 90% effective within 4 to 6 hours and safe to use in combination with other preventatives. Revolution is a preventative safe for both your cat and dog. It is applied to your pet topically once a month. Revolution is not only a flea preventative, but it also protects your pet from heartworm. This treatment kills fleas slowly by preventing the eggs from hatching. Using flea and tick preventatives is very tricky if you own both cats and dogs, for there are restrictions. There are some preventatives that are strictly for dogs due to the ingredients. Though you may not directly put your dog's preventative on your cat, if you do not separate them until the substance is absorbed, your cat could come in contact with a toxic ingredient. This is a problem in the dog-only preventative Advantix. The topical for dogs is great in repelling ticks before they can attach, along with biting flies and chewing lice. Following application to your dog, cats should be separated for 24 to 48 hours to avoid risk. The active ingredient in permethrin is extremely toxic to cats. Advantix is not to be confused with Advantage, which is safe for both cat and dog, but should still be applied to the specific species. Also a monthly topical preventative, it kills all stages of fleas within 12 hours in dogs and 24 hours in cats. After the application process, avoid contact with your eyes. As well as after petting your animal, stop and wash your hands. If a monthly treatment is not for you, there are other options. Flea and tick collars are quite common due to the 8-month protection period. These collars have a pesticide molded into part of the collar, and it diffuses out of the collar slowly month to month. Seresto and other breakaway collars are safe to leave your pet alone due to the quick release mechanism, ultimately protecting your pet from injury if the collar is to get caught on something. Before taking any steps, make sure to ask your veterinarian first. Is it safe for both cats and dogs? Does it kill both fleas and ticks? And how often do I have to give it?